sunscreen before applying serum. Sister, you want key, man. You like your skin. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm here again and I'll try to post frequently. Anyways, for me to post frequently, people should encourage me by sharing my videos, watch my videos to the end, so I'll feel encouraged to continue to post each time. If it's your first time visiting my YouTube channel or following any of my videos, don't hesitate to subscribe. Turn on the notification button so that each time I post, you'll be the number one to get notified. Comment on my videos so that YouTube can propose my videos to other viewers. The video is not just for you, but for everybody. Okay, in today's video, I'll be giving you 5 reasons why your skincare products don't work. I got that question today on my WhatsApp. A client was like, oh, can I use this black soap? Is it going to work on me the way it worked on her? Question mark. There's a question mark. First of all, why your skincare products don't work? You have to know your skin type. If you don't know your skin type, if you buy products just because your neighbor have used that product and it's good on her, sorry. Before you want to get any skincare product, please tell us your skin type. If you don't know your skin type, there are some questions we are going to ask so that we can review your skin type with you. You should know this. It's not because a product work on customer A that is going to work for you. Note that. Why do I say so? Your skin type. People that have sensitive skin, if a product take 1 week to work on someone that have sensitive skin, you that have a stubborn skin, you should be looking at 3 weeks. So don't come and buy a product because you see your friend using that product. Please always ask for recommendation. Recommendations are free. Always ask what is going to work for me, and we're going to tell you what will work. The second problem is you mixing products. Some products don't work together. They don't work together. You come and get face cream from Mr. A and buy sunscreen from Mr. B or serum from Mr. B. You don't know the ingredients in those products. You have to know the ingredients, what is in Mr. A's product and what is in Mr. B product, if they both work in hand. For example, vitamin C and retinol does not work. Like give blemishes, hyperpigmentation. Anyway, you are going to face more of outbreak and you'll be like, oh, Chanel skincare products are not working. It's because you have mixed products. Before you want to mix Mr. A and Mr. B, please know the ingredients, know the components of that product. The reason why your skincare products don't work: you don't exfoliate. Over exfoliating is wrong, and not exfoliating at all is wrong. So many people will be like, why am I using scrub? I don't see the use of scrub. I don't do this, I don't do that. Scrub is very important in any skincare routine. If you want to have the perfect glow, if you want to have a perfect skin, you need to start by scrubbing your skin. Scrub your skin. It's going to open your pores. You open your pores, it's going to remove dead hair. It's going to permit moisturizers penetrate easily. So scrubs are very important in any skincare routine. Hydration. As I'm saying, hydration. So many people don't know the use of water in your system. They don't know the use of water in the system. You can use products for 100,000, 200,000, and if you don't hydrate, they will not work. So take it as a habit to drink at least 2 liters of water a day, and you come back. Even drinking just water gives you this natural glow. Talk less of drinking the water and using good skincare products. You like your skin, my sister. You like the skin, hydrating your skin. What you like it. Your nutrition. What do you eat? Fatty foods, carbohydrate, protein. Do you eat fruit? How often do you eat fruit? Ask yourself that question. Try to review your skincare routine. Try to like, what do I eat? Do I do exercises? Do I hydrate my skin? Do I sleep properly? All that contribute in having a perfect skin and making your products to work. There are some people that when they stress, like me, myself, when I'm stressing, even if I use my bestseller products that I've got more than 100 reviews. They won't work. They won't work because of stress. So stress can also make your skincare products not to work. So you should know that. I have a customer, she used to get black soap from me, and in short, she fell in love. She lastly bought black soap on the 12th of November, and she texted me, was it 2 weeks later, and or was it 1 week later, if I'm not mistaken? Chanel, that soap, it seems as if it's not the same recipe. It seems as if it's not the same recipe. The first question I asked her was, are you exfoliating your skin? Or when last you exfoliate your skin? She told me no, she exfoliates her skin frequently and all that. I asked her, are you having proper rest? Are you stressing? If you are stressing, just know that it will not work. No magic, because it's the same recipe. The products will not work. I always tell my customers, they can testify. You watching this video, all of those people that have oily skin, they will be like, I don't need moisturizer, I don't need to moisturize my skin because I always sweat. In short, I'm healthy, I'm this, I'm that. No. Moisturizing your skin is very essential. It's very important. You moisturize the skin, like you hydrate the skin internally, water, fruit, what you take in. While externally, you use moisturizers, very good moisturizers. It's also going to open your pores. It's going to give you this glowing color. So in skincare, we don't neglect anything. We don't neglect anything. Everything is. I have so many customers, they'll just come and say, give me caramel set. They will not ask you how they use it. They won't ask you how they'll use. Somebody is going to wash the face, carry the product that have to be used in the last position, like apply sunscreen before applying serum. Sister, you want key, man. The order in which you apply your skincare products are very important. You can't go and start from number 10 product and finish with number 3. No, that's not how it is done. So you should always ask, if you are not buying from me, always ask your supplier, how should I use the product? The serum comes first. Which product comes first is very important. You have to know that. And also, there are products, evening products, that's night products and morning products. You should not go and use the products you had to use in the evening, in the morning. No, they don't do it like that. When you forward use a lightening product during the day and you go under the sun, because I know that, yeah, Africans, they don't believe in sunscreen. So generally, when I ask my customers to buy sunscreen and they will be like, no, 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 I will tell them, don't apply face cream on your face during the day, because of sunburn, blemishes, is going to spoil your face. So when we tell people to do this, please, you should do it. This video, I think, or I guess, is very helpful. It's going to help so many people. So people should not hesitate to share the video. Please share it. Because I'm on my knees, people should share the video, because so many people are facing this same problem. So many people are having very good products, but they don't use it the right way. Please, please, please don't hesitate to give a thumb up. You should share to encourage me to post more videos. When we post a video and we see 100 views, 2 likes, it does not encourage us to do more videos. That's why people see me on YouTube today, people don't see me tomorrow. Though consistency is the key to everything, but please encourage us to be consistent. So you should share. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. I love you. Kisses. Mwah.